Hi viewers, Namaste. Welcome to Vipaf Real Estates. We came here to show you one good property to you. That is villa. It's a duplex villa. The villa is having of 3 bedrooms and different types of stylish rooms available inside the villa. Let's see how the villa looks exactly. We are in the location of April. Let's see how the property of this villa looks. Coming to the details of the villa is actually in west facing of 140 square yards of 2200 SFT build up area. Now we'll enter into the villa and we will see. So this is the area where we are entering into the villa. This is the parking area where we have enough space for the car and the 2 bikes even. So see this structure and how the tiles has been arranged, and this is the fall ceiling. It looks absolutely very nice. Let's see inside the home how does it look. The main entrance door, if you see the main entrance door, this is the place where the fall ceiling starts from here. It's 2 different colors with enough lighting that looks so crazy inside this. And this is a hall. This is a connectivity hall. This hall connects, one is right side to us, that is the bedroom. This is called guest room, we call generally, and second one is the dining area. There it is in front of the door, and next is the open kitchen and the staircase. Let's see how the hall looks from center of this. This is the hall having the one window at the center. You can see beautiful lighting image in the on the floor. If you see this left to this, we have one more window here at the entrance of the door, and towards the right side we have one more window. First of all, we will go to the this is the ceiling. This is the, from the bottom you see the top view of the ceiling. How does it looks? Now we will enter into the first bedroom, that is called guest room. In the ground floor we have only one bedroom attached washroom. This is the bedroom. The bedroom is large enough for the guest, having the cupboards, and we have one more window here towards this. This is the ceiling we have right now. It looks so good, cool in this room. And this space is fit for almirah. This is the room we have, and this is the attached washroom we have. In this attached washroom, and through this, if you go towards our right hand side, we have a staircase here to go to the first floor. Let's enter into this is the dining area, where the dining area comes to us here. So if you see a kitchen, this is a kitchen. This is completely open kitchen with enough space. A large kitchen has been provided from the builder, which is attached to the cupboards, having the space for the refrigerator and having enough cupboards too. You can see ceiling of the kitchen, and this is the ceiling for the dining hall. We will enter into the first floor through the staircase. This is the staircase they have provided. You can see beautiful lighting at the steps, near the steps to us, close by. And this is the window provided by them for enough lighting and ventilation too. And we can see the railing to this staircase. There is one more hall in the first floor. This is the one more hall of the first floor. You can see this. We have one window here. That is a puja room in the first, and second side is a bedroom. This is the hall. You can see a beautiful hall, how it designed. And if you go right side, you can find one more bedroom here. This is the bedroom, master bedroom or personal bedroom attached to this hall. Let's enter into this bedroom first. How does it looks? The first floor. So the bedroom is a very large size, king size. It looks so big. So this is a wall from one side, this is the second wall, having the cupboards and having the window panel here. This is a false ceiling on the top of this. and we see there is a washroom attached to it. The washroom is big enough. If you see from here, this is the door. We have one more window. From here, if you enter, we can see a balcony here. This is the balcony for this home. The space is more than enough for us, and we have one window glass here, completely closed. It's for view actually, and this you can see a railing. This is one of the window glass has been given a large size in height. We'll enter into different bedrooms now. Let's see how does it looks. So let's see, we'll enter into the third bedroom of this villa. So this is a connectivity hall again. We're coming out from the hall. So this is a beautiful lighting in the false ceiling. See? And this is a puja room. This puja room looks very big here. The lighting is good enough. So besides the puja room, we have one more bedroom. Let's see the bedroom. This is the bedroom we have. So having a one window towards the straight, and left side we have one more door for a balcony. This is a washroom attached to this bedroom. This is one more window panel to have enough lighting and ventilation, and this is the cupboards, the entrance of this room. Right. This is the false ceiling they have given to us. So the washroom is again like big enough to see everything. And this is a balcony for second bedroom. We can see surroundings over here. This is L-shaped small balcony they have given. This is the beautiful surroundings we have here, full of greenery, having the water tank for us. This is in the apron now. We can see a gate which is for park entrance, and we can see land over here ready for construction, so on. So we have buildings around us which are fully gated communities and high-rise apartments, and everything is available here. There is a full details of this villa in this description. You can go through the description, find the entire details of the villa. Still, if you have any doubts for clarification, you can contact us of the mentioned number in this video. And also you can visit this villa, but it costs, visiting charges will be there of 500 rupees. And like we have one more thing, this is one more staircase which is approaching to the stairs, that is our roof. As of now I can't show you completely as there are some construction things are left over here. So if you still have anything to see, if you like this villa to visit or to purchase or to talk to the owner, please contact us. Thank you, Vipaf Real Estates.